In this video, we'll show you all about the search bar that's here in the top right of the Geopointe map. Unlike dataset searches you conduct from the control panel on the left side, you can use this search bar to search for Google places using a keyword like restaurants and coffee shops, physical addresses by actually entering the address itself, mapped records that you've loaded with a dataset, and unmapped records that are inside Salesforce. So let's start by doing a places search. I'm going to pan the map to the area where I want to search, and now I'm going to enter a keyword. I'll enter coffee shops. It's giving me some suggestions based on this area, but I'm just going to go ahead and click the icon or enter, and it's going to load my results to the map. And you can see it's just showing results in the visible area of the map, up to 20 places. In this search tab of the control panel, you can see a rundown of information about your results that's directly from Google. I can also click one of the results and see some information from Google like hours and rating. Now there's a lot of really powerful things you can do with place results. You can apply actions like create record actions. In this case, I have create lead action. So maybe I'm a marketing or sales rep and I want to do some outreach to coffee shops. I can click this create lead action and instantly add this to Salesforce by just entering in some fields based on a field set I created. This is something that your Geopointe admin can configure for you. Another really cool thing you can do with place results is save it to my locations. Maybe you're planning a trip to this area and you want to find a hotel where you're going to stay. I have some hotel results here. I'm going to pick one and use the Save to My Locations action. Now, if I go to this My Locations tab in the control panel, I can access this hotel that I just added. I can jump to that location or add it to a route. And once I'm on my trip and I'm ready to go to my hotel, I can actually access these My Locations from Salesforce Mobile and quickly navigate there once I'm ready to do so. Now I'll show you how to jump to a mapped record. First, you need to have a data set loaded to the map. So I'm going to load this accounts data set with an everywhere search. So it's going to put quite a few records on the map. Perhaps I want to jump to a specific record. Maybe I want to check out universal containers. And for my suggestions here, I see my mapped record, and it's jumped us directly to that record. So I can take actions from the info window or go from there. Finally, the last thing you can do is see related Salesforce records based on the keyword you enter. So let's say, for example, I want to see related Salesforce records. I'll enter farm as a keyword, hit enter, and in this search tab of the control panel, you'll see there's some place results it's giving us, but it's also giving us Salesforce results just based on the keyword I entered. If I'd like, I can add any of these results to a new route. To learn more about the search bar and all the actions you can take on search results, check out our help site.